Seth Curry scored a career-high 24 points, grabbed 10 rebounds. Stephen Curry's little brother. Look at Tony Parker. He still has the moves up and under on Dirk. LaMarcus Aldridge backing him down, being a bully in the paint. It's a Texas showdown, Dallas versus San Antonio. This rivalry, it's been going on for so many years. Kawhi left open, so why not let it fly? Spurs controlling the game so far. Here comes Curry. Splash. Looking just like his brother. Dirk with the skip pass, then the touching jump pass. Wesley Matthews makes it splash. Curry, bounce pass, floater alert. Harrison Barnes in the lane. We've got ourselves a great game in the fourth quarter. Dirk, shot clock cheese straight away. He's got it. Harrison Barnes in the post, looking like he's about to do a fadeaway. Finds Curry wide open. Why not? Another one. The Mavericks came to play. They take this rivalry seriously. Shot clock winding down. Step back. Kawhi gets it to fall in the corner. Skip pass. Danny Green, he's going to slash. Bounce pass. That's a dunk. LaMarcus Aldridge. The Mavs up by 3 with the ball. 21 seconds. Seth Curry. It's his game. He gets a wide open layup. Can you believe it? The Spurs go down to the Dallas Mavericks in this one. LeBron said he needs a playmaker. What about Kyrie? Look at a crossover move on Westbrook. He's frozen. He gave up on the play. He got crossed and said, I'm not even involved. That's an and one. To end the second quarter, Westbrook goes through the entire defense, gets rejected at the end from Tristan.